In today's short video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with an Amazon affiliate. I'm going to take you step by step to show you how to sign up to become an Amazon affiliate. I will also show you where to go to start a website or a blog, so you can actually write about products that you will be making a commission for. So if this video is useful to you, please like it and subscribe. So what is an affiliate program? It's basically a program that you promote either a product or a service and you get paid a commission on. Starting off with an Amazon affiliate program will be the best way to begin, because a good amount of people buy everything through Amazon and it's very easy to sign up and get accepted to the program. Also, with no or very little money startup, it makes it very easy to make $2,000 to $4,000 a month in a short period of time. So step 1 is to find your niche. That's the area of products that you will be marketing. Usually you will start off with something that you are already interested in, like maybe cooking or gardening, or maybe you would like to blog about finance or how to start a business. These are just some examples of a niche. So after you find your niche, you can move on to step 2. Step 2, set up a website. You will have to have your website built before you can apply for the affiliate program on Amazon. You will need to find a hosting company for your website, Bluehost, which is what I use, but there's other popular ones like GoDaddy and Squarespace. There will be links down below that will take you to any one of these 3 hosting companies. Most all hosting companies will have software that will help you build the website. Once you find your hosting company, then the next thing to do is start building a website. Now, if you don't want to build a website, you can still use a YouTube channel, or if you have social media, you can market affiliate products through these avenues too. I personally find that a website makes it easier since people are Googling about different subjects or products all the time. An article or blog that you would write would be there for years to come and could be as easily accessible as today as it would be 5 or 10 years from now. We're on social media. You post it once and usually won't see it again, and will have to post it daily. Once you set up your website, you will need to write about 10 to 12 blogs on different subjects or products that you'd want to promote. For example, you might be writing about cooking or a recipe. During the article you are writing, you might talk about a kitchen appliance that you might be using or a special tool that makes it easier to cook with. As they read your article, there will be links that I will be showing you how to create, so that you can insert links in your article. When they click onto the link in these article, and it will take them to the Amazon page of the products that you're promoting. If they purchase it, then you will make a commission. It is that simple. One thing I do want to mention, that the link is only good for 24 hours, so if they don't buy right away and they go back a few hours later, you will still get commission for it long it is within the 24 hours when they first click on the link. Also, one of the good things is if they add anything else to the cart besides the item that they clicked onto, you'll get commission for all of the items in the cart. Step 3. Once you get your website built, then you can apply for the Amazon affiliate program. Go to Amazon affiliate program, click onto the sign up button, go downwards will you see create your Amazon account, and click onto that button. Fill out the name that you want on your account, put a good email, and then do your password, and then re-enter your password, and then click on to create your Amazon account. Once you come to the Amazon Create Your Account page, this will take several minutes to complete everything. Once you are done with that, it will take up to 24 hours for Amazon to approve you for the affiliate program. Now once you approve, hopefully you have already signed up for Amazon. If not, you will need to sign up to the regular Amazon website. After this is done, once you go to that site, you will see at the top Amazon Associate Site stripe. It will be highlighted in gray. This is where you make your link for any service or product that you wish to promote in your blog. I wish you luck on your journey to affiliate marketing. If you find that this video helpful, please like and subscribe.